a new champ right here, baby. We're taking that goal home.
Oh God. Okay, ain't nobody fresher than my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my
Nobody.
click,
Come on, bro.
click, click, click. As I look around, they don't do it like my click, 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 click. And all these bad, they want the, do whatever I say. My block behind me like I'm coming out the driveway. It's Friday for Friday, the next Friday. I've been up straight for 9 days. I need a spot. She try and give me that fruit tank. I might let her bang my food. I'm about to win me a belt. Name, you know, 2 Chainz. I'm pulling up in that Bruce.
Let's go.
And his opponent, he is the best looking everything. He is the Blacklist champion. He is representing Best Looking Enterprises, Jason Hastings.
Champion, right there. Blacklist Pro champion, right there. Always tag team champion, right there. I'm about to go. Peak male performance looks like. Oh, we know you shit. Okay, there we go. That's
The Blacklist champion, Jason Hastings. He's walking through the crowd, making sure everybody knows you're the man, what a mighty good man he is.
let's hope you grow up to be as good as this right here. You're the champion. You should be a champion too. And if you're not, your parents raised you wrong.
One thing he does not lack is confidence. Anything he does not lack is arrogance.
Hey, come on, there we go.
Referee, Ref Shaw.
Championship is on the line. Let's cap the way.
And we're underway here. A nice colorable tie-up.
All day, baby. Yeah. Hey, grease, baby. That's all me. That's my natural endorphins shining.
Jason's a veteran.
Performance.
Won many titles, many promotions. Current Blacklist champion. Current tag team champion in 2 companies.
He pulled his hair. He pulled his hair. Hey, you got his feet on his foot. There's no way he could have pulled his hair. His belly's too big for yours, son. Come on.
Tell him don't come closer. Oh! Got a nice knee to the gut. Forearm to the back for his trouble.
Got him in the corner. Oh, Jason trying to submission move. Showing the ladies what a real man is.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. All day. All day.
Trying to take over on Jason Hastings. Nice clothesline. Oh, he's gonna go for another one. Set him up. Another one. I will tell you one thing about Boot. He is athletic. He has got some skill. Covers a foot. Just a 2 count there. Looks like he's gonna work the leg, working the leg, hitting those hamstrings. This is like a veteran move, working on one part. I said it's a veteran move. But speaking of veteran moves, nothing ever stops a nice thumb to the eye. And with the ropes, Irish whip. Oh, nice clothesline by Hastings. Line click. Cheering on their guy. Nonchalant cover.
I want my money. I want my money. No recording.
Big body slam. Setting him up for something else. His patented elbow. And there it is. Hooks the leg. And only gets a 2 count. Boat gets out. That was more of a nonchalant cover. Jason did not really cover him that well. He's got him in the corner again. Oh, big moves. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on, get down.
10. Referee letting those fists slide.
Come on, Bo, bring him out. Let's go. I'll get him out.
Now he's putting the boots to the blacklist champion. Bo can taste that title.
Where you go? Get back over here. Hastings back in the ring. Let's go. What?
Jason taking a breath.
You're gonna get it back in there too.
Timeout to get in there.
He needs there. He needs there.
Bo's kind of making a mistake, but not going after Jason.
Come on, Hastings, back in the ring. Let's go.
Give him a chance to compose himself.
6. He needs to breathe. Let the man breathe.
Veteran move, breaking the count right there.
Let's go.
Taking another 10.
Use this time to catch him out. 2. That's a thinking man right there.
He knows what he's doing, I'll give you that much.
Walk your ass back in there. Back in the ring. Let's go. Hey, come on, get your ass back in there. You whack ass women in here.
Referee can't see anything behind his back. Blacklist champion
Boom. Jason Hastings knowing where he is in the ring at all times. Kick to the back of the head. Let's go. Incredible move. Bo can taste the title. He's got it. 1, 2, 3. Where are you at, ref? There you go. 1, 2. Oh, Jason gets his foot on the ropes. Saving the Blacklist Championship. It was a 2 count. He got his foot on the ropes.
2 count. It's a 2 count. Come on, get me that belt.
Mighty blow. Rolls him up. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. And your winner, the best looking everything, Jason Hastings.
Cut the music! Cut the damn music! Never forget that PLE! Nobody does that to the 209! Nobody does that to the 209! Listen to that! Born in there against you to the tag team match! What? You heard? I didn't hear nothing! Born in there against you to the tag team match, you dumb bastard! Yeah! Hastings! We're gonna put up the 209 CWA tag team titles!
Yeah, that's what I thought. Run.
What up, it's alright.